All right, let's continue. Now we're gonna assemble the whole part, the top portion, and be gluing it to the body like this. This will be the end result. All right, let's do this. So before that, you have to be aware that the tabs, the connecting triangular tabs, have to follow an angle of the piece that will be glued to. Notice that it follows a curve, it follows an angle. So the triangular tabs here need to follow that angle. With the use of a tweezer, we're gonna start, this is the top, no, this is the bottom, this is the top, this is the top. So we're going to start folding inwards all these tabs with a tweezer. Look how I'm doing it. Now this segment you don't have to worry about folding it. Why? Because it will be straight. This segment will be straight. But anyway, regardless, you have to fold all these tabs. So it will allow a perfect smooth fit with the next ring on top, okay? Let's do it same way with the rest. Just fold inward. You don't have to worry about this segment because that is the flat portion. All right, next one. Oops, went down. Never mind. So now we're going to glue this top portion here. First you're going to try fitting it. This is almost circular and this is almost flat. So let's shape it more round so it will fit here. Aligning the seam line first. Alright, so this is before we apply glue. You know what you're going to be doing. And there it is. So let's apply glue in this segment. Same thing with my little brush. Try to put not too much glue, but enough to glue the rest. Okay, so let's join. Start with the seam line. And then move to the side and just press and play around to see, to match all the line, the contour. There you go. All right, so you have an idea. Let's keep doing it.